Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Old video for you today. It is Tuesday, July 13th, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us today.
Hey guys. All right, actually Chris had a sale. His Mario Kart game, he found this at a garage sale for $2. Sold it for $27.29 plus shipping, so
Pretty
nice
good.
little find. All right, in the box E here. Alright, this is something that I've probably had since 2018. This was just something I bought because I liked it, and I was like, oh, if I like it, somebody else is gonna buy it, right? Guess not.
Which works out sometimes,
yes,
right?
sometimes. The brand is Tokyo Darling, which I hadn't heard of the brand when I bought it. I just liked the shirt, but I think it's sold at PacSun or something like that. It's just a crop top, and it says free on it, so... Anyhow, I just find it was in my JBF. Like, I tried to sell it online for like a year. It didn't sell. I took it to JBF and put it in the junior section because PacSun is technically like juniors. Didn't sell there. That's been in my JBF rotations for like 2 years. Still didn't sell. Finally brought it home. I think I even put it out in our garage sale. Didn't sell. And then, finally... I was like, I'm just going to post it back online pretty cheap, and I did, and I think I posted it hoping someone will buy it for 4th of July, which they didn't, but they bought it today for $10.87 plus shipping. I originally bought it for $1.99, so I did make a couple bucks after 3 years and a lot of stress, so.
Well, we are super happy to see it go, and
hopefully the person doesn't have any issues, because that will be sad.
And we don't buy too many mall brands nowadays.
Nope.
Not saying that it's not worth it, but they do tend to take quite a bit longer to sell and not for much profit.
Yeah. So this is another one of my Harley shirts. So $10.67 into it. This one I think I just sold for a lower price because I didn't think it was that special. I think the only identifying logo on it is just the one patch on the front. It doesn't have any cool like skull graphics or anything, so I sent an offer of $25 plus shipping and buyer accepted, so about doubling my money on that one, which was the initial goal to begin with, but most of them I've been profiting 20 plus off of, so the Harley stuff has been doing really well.
Yeah, that was a good score.
Yeah. Now if my shoes that I got at that estate sale recently would start selling, I'd be happy. So these are the brand I don't even know how you say it. Decidual. I feel like it's fancier than I'm saying it, but
yeah, I'm not sure.
I've sold this one other time. I know it's really expensive new, and technically this is still new. The tag is ripped a little, but I bought these at Goodwill. I did pay $10.99 for them because they retail for over $100. I thought I could get around half, which is about what I got. I got $45 plus shipping, so pretty good little sale.
Yeah.
All right, this one is a good and kind of sad. All right, this board game, Clove. We've played this in our prime. In our
I don't know, like it. That's one of those.
It was a little awkward.
Like you have to get up and do stuff. Is that what that is?
Yep. So I found this at a garage sale for $1, new, sealed, and everything. I sold it on eBay for $36.35 free shipping. And I know you're gonna say, "Oh, why'd you do free shipping if it was gonna cost so much to ship?" But you don't know how much it's gonna cost to ship until you know who's gonna buy it, and there's no way to know who's gonna buy it unless they like message you first and you can see where their location is. But anyways, it's not like, so it was selling for between like 30 to 40. So whether I did 30 plus ship or 30 or 40 free ship, which is what I did, and then we have a little bit of a sale running, it would all come out the same in the end. So I only paid $1 for it, but because it's heavy, it's going global shipping, which means I first ship it out to Kentucky, and that's far away from Colorado. So it did cost $14.36 to ship out. Womp womp.
Yeah.
So I still profited like $16 off of it, which is still good, and it was super easy to list, but
and that might have...
It's sad when you see a $36 sale and you profited only 15 of that, 16.
And we were thinking it might have fit in like a medium flat rate, which would have probably brought the shipping down a little bit, right?
Only $1.
$1?
Less than $1.
But we just don't have any on hand to test it or anything.
Mediums. So,
And
yeah, we should probably order some of those.
I just don't think they're they're not very common for us.
No, you can use them for Posh though.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So we might as well just keep some. But yeah, we don't have any right now, so that's okay. But yeah. Just one of those things. But then on the next one of these next sales that you're gonna see, I charged the buyer a specific amount that I thought it might cost, and then it costed like
a little
$3 less. So I don't really refund in that case. Yeah. So that's how I think of it.
It all kind of works its way out in the end on our end, on our side.
So I've been seeing some other YouTubers and resellers saying that Nike Shocks are popular again. Like I remember when I was in high school, maybe early 2000s or something, I feel like these were popular. But I never had a pair, I don't think, and I don't like how they look, honestly. But because of everyone saying they're really fast sellers, I grabbed them. I paid $15 for these. Goodwill actually wanted $30, which, no surprise, nobody bought them, so I snagged them on the half-off day, which even $15 is still a lot. But they sold really fast, less than a week, for $54, $55 free ship.
Okay.
And they are a women's 6, so a small size, and they even still sold that fast. So I was happy with that. Not a huge profit, obviously, because I did pay $15. They are going to fit in a padded flat rate, though, so shipping was only $7.76.
Okay.
So yeah, pick up some Nike Shocks if you see them for a good deal. I mean, this is what we're in July 2021, so if you're watching this months from now, maybe check
things change. Especially those trendy things. I don't know. Is that something that got famous off of like TikTok or something?
I don't even know why. Somebody must have worn it. Yeah. That's popular. All right. These are some Sam Edelman flats. I normally pass on this brand, but these were like basically in like new condition, and they still had the Nordstrom rack tag on them, which even at clearance pricing was supposedly $59.97. So I only paid $3.99 for them. I figured I could at least get $20. I ended up getting $27.25 plus ship, so that was pretty good little flip. All right, CB. This was something that took forever, like over a year to sell. And I was surprised. They're Tory Burch wedges. They've been posted on all platforms. They have had a ton of likes. I've sent offers. I've changed prices a lot. They just were not selling. So finally got an offer today. Well, while I was sleeping, Posher VA sent the offer of 20% off.
To a liker.
Which I don't remember what I had them listed at, so I offered a liker. And then she came back with a little bit lower, which was only like another $5 off. So I'm like, yeah, just take it. So $27. After Poshmark fee, I basically doubled my money after a year. So I don't know. Tory Burch, I've sold 2 or 3 pairs of their flats for well over $100. But yeah, I don't know what it was about those that wasn't selling. So see. Alright, and then these are some men's footprints by Birkenstock. So I bought these because they were cheap. They were only $4.99, but I didn't look them over good enough. I just got excited about Birkenstocks for $4.99. The heels were they had a ton of heel drag to the point where it's literally soft to the touch. So then I was worried, well dang, they're probably not gonna sell, but I still priced them semi-high for that type of wear, I would say. I think I priced them at $40 plus shipping. And yeah, with their sale running, they sold for $36, $35 plus shipping. So even with all that wear, still sold. So I pick up Birkenstocks in all sorts. Usually I like to pick up stuff only that's really nice shape, but Birkenstocks, even if they're black on the footbeds, I'd probably pick them up as long as they're not too worn all around. So
right.
Yeah, not too bad.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get working on getting this stuff packed up to ship. Reese's been over here sleeping the whole time. You gonna help us today?
Nope.
No? We'll be right back, guys. Thanks for all the help, Reese. All right, guys, we got it all packed up, and we did have one more sale come in.
Great.
Kathy already got the label ready.
Reese. Hi. DG. These are just some women's Merrell sandals. I purchased these at Goodwill for $9.99, sold them for $30 plus shipping on Mercari. That was an offer I just accepted. So yeah, they've only been listed a few days. I think we sold over 20 pairs of what I listed just before vacation, so
Right.
20 out of like 60 or so.
And I mean, we were only gone for the weekend, so we didn't put anything on vacation mode. So I'm happy with the amount of sales that we got today, considering we were
$100 ones for sure.
out of town for the weekend. And yeah, so other than that, our month is...
Or updated this a tiny bit, but we don't have a whole new, so yeah. Yeah, that's when we were on our trip, and the kids went to camp out with their cousins. Didn't get any new listings up yesterday. Planning to today, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of, just when you go on vacation, like we have like, it was only a 2-day vacation, but we still have like bags done.
It somehow equals 10 loads of laundry.
Right, it's just crazy. So
we did do thrifting along the way, and there should be a video out on that probably right around the time.
Maybe the next day after this one.
Yeah, before this or after this video, right around this video. So
yeah, I got some housework to do. So depending on how long that takes, I might get listings up. I want to at least get like 5 just to give our stores some life again. I feel like they're
we haven't listed since Thursday. So.
Right. But yeah, other than that, we got our other son's birthday coming up in about a week. A family stuff. We finally found a VBS to take them to at the end of the month. So the month is pretty much, I mean, it's going to be over really fast.
Before we know it,
we just got our kids' school schedule, and it looks like our kindergartner is going to start on the 2nd of August, so like super soon. Yeah. And then our 2nd grader will go on the next day. So I'm excited and also like nervous and sad that summer is coming to an end, but excited for routines and stuff.
Absolutely. Yeah, we live in a school district that has a short summer, but because I think other school districts around us go more towards the 3rd and 4th week of August. But you know, we get like a 2 month, 2 and a half month, 2 to 2.5 month long summer. But at the end of every quarter, so like fall quarter, there's like a 2-week break. Spring break is 2 weeks, and is it Christmas break?
Yeah,
Christmas break, or
when I was a kid, we only had 1 week for spring. We had 2 here, and we didn't have like any fall break besides maybe a day.
So, and I actually I went to this school district when I was a kid, and moved to California. Ended up moving back when I was an adult and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I liked this schedule, having 2 weeks off, you know, basically after every quarter of school. And then the summer was like 2 months. And, you know, when you're a kid, you get kind of bored in the summer sometimes. You're ready to go back to school and hang out with friends. Although that was before cell phones and stuff, so maybe things are different now. But our kids aren't that old yet anyway. So, yeah, that's going to do it for this What's Old video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, we're going to pack that one Mercari sale off camera and get this stuff off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.